Hello everyone, welcome to iResonate, your social media DIY toolkit that helps you boost your social media visibility or brand visibility in simple steps. So in this video, I'll show you how to define your clear brand voice and then create your posts around that brand voice and then plan a campaign calendar, and there we will create a schedule for an entire week, and finally we'll explore tools for blog creation and refining the content. So let's dive in. So now let's jump straight to iResonate.com, and this is the landing page of iResonate. So we'll go directly to the brand voice creation button and click on discover your brand voice. So if I click on this, it will take me to a new page, discover your brand voice. So this takes us to this page where either I can enter my website or URL, or if you don't have a website, describe your offerings or your products manually. So for this demo, I'm using a sample website for a financial assistance services that provide wealth management, investment guidance, and text optimization. So let me straight away give the URL for that for this brand. So this is the URL, and I will click on generate button. And here is your brand voice. So you can read about it. The your target audience. What is your target audience? You can change it if you want. The geography you can change. If you're focusing on India, you can remove this. And if any of those things does not match with your brand voice, you can change that. You can modify that. So what is your brand promise? Unlock financial success through expert tips and strategic guidelines. What are your values? Integrity, education, empowerment, and sustainability. What change you desire? So these are some of the questions which we define to generate the brand voice. So if you like it, then you can click on this button, liked it. So now you have to name your brand voice. So let me save it, and once I click on continue, the brand voice has been created successfully, and I will be redirected to an editor like this. So this editor gives me options to create posts, blogs, writing exercises, email, memos, templates, a lot of things. But since we are only talking about social media post right now in this video, so we'll select the generate post, and the brand voice which we have created just a few seconds ago, the next one, so that has already been selected. And here I have to choose either blog or post. We are currently talking about post, so we'll take post only. So there are various categories of content. You want to educate, you want to influence, you want to engage. So education is where you give helpful videos. Influence, you give your perspective. Engage is where you share your journey. So this a calendar should have a mix of all these type of categories of content. So let's take for the first post, I can pick tips and tricks. And this will give me certain topics in my niche, in my brand voice, of the tips and tricks topics. Investment portfolio for stability, practical tips to improve your credit score quickly. So for example, let's take this one. This is a very helpful topic, and if I did not like any of these topics, I can give my own topics also here. Like this is an editable box. But let's take for this demo sake, I'm taking this as an example, and I'm giving the word length for my post to be generated as, for example, 200, and I will click on this button, generate post. So this is generating the post for this topic. So my post has been generated. This has been formatted automatically in the LinkedIn format, wherein you have to give some spaces and some bullets. So the topic is boost your credit score fast with these surprising steps. So this is the first post I would like to publish it on LinkedIn. So to schedule, if you see on this extreme right bar, you will see this button, schedule. So we'll click on this. Okay. So to create a week's schedule, you have to give a name to the schedule. So let's create a schedule. I would say so this is my schedule, and I will save it, and then I have to select this. So this campaign calendar has been created, and I would like to schedule my post in this campaign. So the date should be, I can choose any date, like next day I'm going to publish it, and then time, I can choose my time, let's take 10 a.m. as my publishing time, and here I can add a media. I can add a picture, or if I have to create some videos, I can do that. So I will try to upload it. If I want to crop it, I can do that. Or maybe I will just click on upload button. If you want to upload full, you can do that, upload full. So my media has been uploaded in this post, and if you want, you can also add a caption. You can pick some catchy captions for this particular type of post. Now to add text or caption on this screen, just click on this orange button, caption, click on this. So here is the image. Now if you want to add more pictures, you can do that from here, the plus icon, and then we will be scheduling it. So we have to schedule it on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook. So for example, let's schedule it for LinkedIn. If I have to schedule on other platforms, I can do that from here. Then Instagram, for example, and after selecting it, so this has scheduled my post in this first campaign calendar. Then so this is my post, but now I want to create an entire calendar. So this post has been scheduled as my first post, but I want to schedule the other posts also. So I will click on this calendar, which will take me to the calendar view, which includes this post as well. So I will click on this button. It will show me this post which has been scheduled for the campaign name is the one which I have created, and this has been scheduled for tomorrow, 26th of March. Now I can create some other posts for remaining week.